Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace wiper blades on Mazda CX-3 and CX-5 in just 5 simple steps. So, first you have to lift the wiper blade from the windshield. Then push that tiny clip up using a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool or something sharp. Then grab the wiper blade and push it down to get it out from the wiper arm. Then take it out from the wiper arm. So this is the clip. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So you have to take that tiny clip out. Then you have to remove it from the wiper arm. Now you will see how the wiper arm looks. This is the new wiper blade. It has 45 centimeter or 24 or 18 inch. It's for the passenger side. If you see on the back of the package, you can see more details. Take a look on the package to check if the wiper blades are fitting with your car. You can find more details on the package. Also the fitting instructions. So CX5 is okay for us. It's from 2012. Now we will install the new wiper blade. So remove the clip from the new wiper blade and install it on the wiper arm using also a flat blade screwdriver, or if you can do it with your finger it's okay, but maybe you will need a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. So use a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver to take that clip out. So pull the wiper blade toward the end of the arm. Then put the clip back on, and then place it in the normal position on the windshield. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.